Hi, this is Felipe from UserGuiding. Today, I will show you how to create an enticing seasonal campaign using our various tools. Let's start by adding a seasonal flair to our content. I will use an autumn no discount campaign as an example. So, I have selected colors and images reflecting that. In here, I've changed the header and the launcher color within the Resource Center settings. Additionally, I will include the seasonal emoji in our campaign module and add this tag to indicate that we currently have an active campaign. It grabs the attention of the user now. I want to provide my users with information about the campaign. To this end, I will create a post on our product updates page. I have added a label, like we did for the Resource Center module, and created this whole post right here. The users will then have the option to filter the posts by label with a single click. Let's imagine we are offering a discount code during this campaign. I want to announce this with an added personal touch. Creating a guide is a great way to go about this. Adding user attributes to your material can make the experience feel more personalized and special for your users. I have added my text and selected the personalization option right here. This drop-down lists all of the user attributes available on your panel. For this case, I have used the first name attribute to greet our users. Lastly, I have assigned the copy to clipboard click action to a custom button. Once clicked, the user will have their discount code ready to use. This is the finished product. If you want to urge your users to participate in the campaign, why not add a countdown banner? You can either display the remaining days until the campaign starts to build up anticipation, or create a sense of urgency by counting down until the end date. Using the HTML module, you can add a countdown to your guide and hotspots. All you need to do is add the code provided in our help article and set the time and date accordingly. And that's it. This is what it looks like. You can increase interaction by adding an invisible hotspot on the page and hiding an extra discount code. After creating the hotspot, select a tricky spot, hide the beacon, and select the hover over element interaction option. This is what it looks like. As your campaign comes to an end, it would be useful to gather feedback from your users to understand how successful it has been. To do this, I have created a short survey and configured it to show only to the users who have completed the discount guide we have created before. Besides this first question, I want to know how our users feel about the campaign, and I'll follow it up with a written feedback question. This is how it looks like once the campaign is live. Another way to monitor your campaign's interactions is to create goals. Here, you can view the last 7 days worth of data for each goal. I have created goals for guide and survey, but let's create one for the hotspot interaction. You can keep track of your campaign and make changes if needed. We hope these strategies and tips will help you connect with your audience. See you next time!